How to fix indexing not running error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart Windows search service. The indexing not running issue may be caused by the Windows search service being stopped or not running correctly. Restarting this service can often resolve the problem. Rebuilding the index may help if there is any corruption in the indexing database, and it will ensure that all files and folders are re-indexed in the system. Fix 3. Check for Windows updates. The indexing not running error could be a bug or an issue in the current version of Windows. Ensure your system is running the latest available updates from Microsoft. Windows has a built-in troubleshooting tool that automatically detects and corrects problems related to search and indexing. Fix 5. Perform file system repair. Corrupted system files may be preventing the indexing service from working properly. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. In some cases, modifying the registry can help fix issues with indexing not running. However, this solution is advanced, and it's recommended to back up your registry before making any changes. In the right pane, double-click on Start and change its value to 2. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Check if the issue is resolved. Fix 7. Perform a system restore. If none of the above fixes resolve the problem, performing a system restore to a point where the indexing was working can restore the system to a stable state.